Hello student, I am Professor Pallavi Devkate. Welcomes you in next practical of Elective Econ 354. Course title is Agribusiness Management. In previous lecture, we studied about calculation of BCR, benefit cost ratio. Okay. In today's session, we are going to learn about calculation of IRR, that is internal rate of return. Okay. So this internal rate of return is also one of the discounted methods of project appraisal. Okay. So first of all, we see the meaning and concept of IRR, and then we start to calculate IRR. Okay. So IRR, the long form of IRR is internal rate of return. Okay. So working of IRR provide the knowledge of actual rate of return from different project. That means this IRR provide us the knowledge of actual rate of return from different project. So this IRR is also called as marginal efficiency of capital or yield on investment. Okay, so for objective type question it may be asked, IRR is also known as marginal efficiency of capital or it is also called as yield on investment. Okay. The definition of IRR: the IRR is that discount rate at which present values of net cash flows are just equal to 0. That means the IRR is that discount rate at which NPW is equal to 0. That discount rate is known as IRR. Okay, this is the definition of IRR. So, calculation of IRR, there is no any straightforward method for calculation of IRR. So this IRR is calculated generally on trial and error basis. That means by using the alternative rate of discount till the NPW of project reaches to 0, you have to calculate the IRR by trial and error method. Okay, that means while calculation of IRR, we must need to finalize the discount factor by trial and error method, and after finalization of upper and lower discount rate, the interpolation method is used to calculate actual IRR of a project. The formula of IRR by interpolation method is IRR is equal to LDR, that is lower discount rate, plus difference between two discount rates in bracket NPW of LDR divided by absolute difference between NPW at two discount rate. Okay, where IRR is equal to internal rate of return, LDR is equal to lower discount rate, and NPW is equal to net present worth. Okay, this is the formula of calculation of IRR. Okay. After calculation of IRR, next point, that is selection criteria on the basis of IRR. Generally, all the projects having written about the opportunity cost of capital are selected for making the investment. So, this is the measure of earning capacity of the project. That means project is selected when project is having more return on opportunity cost of capital. Okay, so now we move toward the calculation of IRR. Okay, so here is one example, that is calculate IRR for a given project at the rate of 40 and 43 discount rate from following information. So this is the cost and benefit information of a project which is given to you, and these are the two discount factor, that is 40 and 43. This 40 is lower discount rate and 43 is the higher discount rate. By using these two discount rate, you have to calculate IRR of a project. Okay, now we move toward the solution of this problem. So in solution, first step, that is calculate of net income. So this net income can be calculated by subtracting cost from benefit. That means net income is equal to benefit minus cost. We get net income of respective year. So for first year, benefit is 0 minus 38,900. Your net income will be minus 38,900. Okay. Similarly for second year, 28,475 minus 9,239. Your net income will be 19,236. Okay. So similarly you have to calculate net income for respective year. This is the first step, that is calculation of net income. After calculation of next net income, next step, that is to calculate discount factor. Okay, so here the discount factor, formula for discount factor, TF is equal to 1 plus I raised to minus T. Okay, so first of all we have to calculate the discount factor at the rate of 40% discount rate. Okay, so I is equal to 40%. For calculation we use, it is in a fraction, that is 0.40. Time period which is given to you, that is 1 to 5 year. For first year, discount factor 1 plus 0.40 raised to minus 1, which is equal to 0.7142. Similarly, you have to calculate discount factors for next 5 year at the rate of 40% discount rate. Okay, after calculation of discount factor, next step, that is calculate NPW at the rate of 40% discount rate. Okay, so NPW is net income into discount factor at the rate of 40%. So here net income, that is for first year, minus 38,900 into discount factor, that is 0.7142, which is equal to minus 27,782.38. Okay, so similarly you have to calculate NPW of respective year and finally make the summation of all the NPWs at the rate of 40% discount factor. Okay, then fourth step, that is calculate discount factor at the rate of 43%. Okay, so similarly calculate the discount factor by using discount rate at the rate of 43%. So for first year, 1 plus 0.43 raised to minus 1. So your discount factor will be 0.6993. Okay, similarly you have to calculate the discount factor of next 5 year. Okay, after next, that is fifth step, that is calculate NPW at the rate of 43% discount rate. Similarly, the NPW can be calculated by multiplying discount factor into net income. Okay, so NPW for first year, that is 38,900 and discount factor at the rate of 43%, that is 0.6993, which is equal to minus 27,202.77. Okay, so similarly you have to calculate NPW for respective 5 years and then finally make the summation of NPW at 43%. After getting the summation of NPW at the rate of 40% and 43%, next step, that is to calculate IRR. So IRR, formula for IRR is equal to LDR plus difference between two discount rate in bracket NPW at LDR divided by absolute difference between NPW of two discount rate. Okay, by putting the values in a formula we can calculate IRR. So LDR, which is 40%, that means 40 and 43 are the two discount rate. Out of that 40 is lower discount rate plus difference between two discount rate, that means 43 and 40% discount rate. So you have to take the difference between these two discount rate in bracket NPW of LDR, that means 40% NPW at the rate of 40% discount rate, which is 1206.56 divided by absolute difference between NPW of two discount rate, that is 1206.56 minus in bracket minus 1 to 1.47. Okay, by solving this bracket you get these figures, and finally after making the summation of 40 plus 0.27 we get IRR of 42.72%. Okay, this is your final answer, that is 42.72%. Okay, then next point, that is conclusion on the basis of IRR. So your calculated IRR is 42.72, which is greater than lower discount rate, hence project is financially feasible and accepted. Okay, so this is all about calculation of IRR. Okay, so here is next example, that is calculate IRR for a given project at the rate of 25 and 30% discount rate, and by using for following information you have to calculate IRR of a project. Okay, so this is the cost and benefit data which is given to you. You have to solve and calculate IRR and write in your practical manual. Okay, so this is all about calculation of IRR. If you have any query or any doubt, then ask me. Okay, thank you all.